how to use rewards and rewards points on Pizza Hut. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to use your reward points on Pizza Hut, in today's video we are going to provide you with a very simple process that we can follow and we should be able to do it. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, go to the Pizza Hut website or the application and sign in into your account if you're not signed in. Once it is done, what we need to do is we need to go to the rewards page. So once we are signed in, you can just go over and look out for the rewards page here. You will just go to the rewards page and you can look out for the option of, wallet or something like that, a Hut reward section. And there you should be finding your points. How much point do you have currently? Sometimes it's also called slices. You can look out for your slices history, available free items that you can redeem. After that is done, what you can do is you can just go over and pick up your item, the food to your cart. So find the item, open the item piece, and go ahead and add that specific item to your cart, like normal, how you usually do. So go ahead and do so. And once you've added your product to your cart normal, all you gotta do is basically go ahead and redeem your points at checkout. So look out for the checkout option. If you have not added your delivery or takeaway location, just go over and add it. Click on the option to add it. And once added, you can select the reward that you want, what reward you would like, such as, free pizza, slice, etc., side, etc. I can just go and look out for the redeem option and go ahead and click on it, and it will be added to your order automatically. And you can just make sure that your minimum order rules are met. Some reasons require a minimum spend like $15. Continue to check out and place your order. Usually only one reward per order, and you should be able to do it. Rewards often can't be combined with other discount. Some items require a minimum purchase before redeeming. And that's it. So that is it everybody. For now, you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.